You may have seen people unboxing things on YouTube before. So I'm going to save you the unboxing, unless there's something interesting that I come across in the process. You're about to see what was in the box on the first bit of this video, and it's not this. I cannot justify this sort of thing. These watchmakers lathes are beautiful pieces of precision engineering and are not cheap. They're really quite expensive, particularly ones in this condition. Look how beautiful that is. You know, that's absolutely, absolutely gorgeous. You know, you can just really admire that. And it's just a fact of life that, you know, I am not doing the sort of work that can justify it. But in terms of, you know, a style of lathe that might be of use to some of the things I do, that might be quite good. Now that looks like something, I think it's about 20mm round bed on a 6mm lathe there, and that looks like something useful. So I'm brand new to these things. I have looked at lathes before, and I've looked at some websites about it before plunging into making an offer for one or buying one. And so now you're going to see what was in that box, and you're going to just see a quick look of it running, and then in another video I'll say a little bit more about the thing that was in the box. But none of these quite match. Some of these get close to what was in the box. This is the lathes.co.uk website. Where are we? Okay. Which is a mine of information about any sort of lathes. If you're watching this, you'll probably know about that website anyway. And I'm just showing you some nice pictures that have been submitted to the website or even taken by Tony himself. But as I will say at the beginning of that, don't assume I know anything about them or an authority, and I welcome comments from people who know more about them, particularly after you've seen my second video, not the one that's attached to this segment where I've shown the thing running, but the second video where I talk through it a little bit more so that you can help me make some progress. I would welcome those comments from you, please, because you'll have to forgive my ignorance. Yeah, I was just saying then, I don't know what I'm talking about. I've watched a couple of videos and that's all. And I need to watch many more, and I've ordered a book. Okay, just playing there, not getting any particular shape. I can't even get it in focus. But as you can see, it works. It's functional. It seems to be running smoothly, nice and true. Take the tension off that, take that off that. I'm very pleased with that. Bit of oil in there. There's no sense of any play or heat in the bearings or anything. So there we are. That was it actually running. And if I get any good at it and I'm able to make something, I might want to boast about what I've made with this lathe.